Hello, I'm Magick, the Master of Runes. In this video I will show you a runic formula for health, physical health of your body. The runes are Kenas, Pietro, Urus. The rune Kenas represents the disease, kind of a problem, a fire that is burning, that is unpleasant. The rune Pietro is the rune of the hidden influences, so it makes these symptoms hidden. It reduces the negative symptoms. And the rune Urus, rune of the strength, rune of the bull, gives you more energy and more health to be able to deal with this problem. This rune formula works best in combination with a conventional medicine. So to use it, you can draw it on the left side of your body, or you can create a runic amulet and activate it with a simple ritual as I teach on my free course. Thank you for your attention and I wish you the best of luck.